What's going on, everyone? So if you're new here to the channel, my name is Eric and welcome to Staggered Horizons. So today is finally the day when we're going to be installing a catback exhaust here on my 2008 Subaru Legacy GT. So the exhaust that I purchased here is the GMS full 3-inch through muffler catback exhaust system here. So the reason I purchased this exhaust here is, number one, it was a pretty affordable exhaust. It wasn't the super cheapest eBay no-name type exhaust here. I also checked it out on a couple videos and liked what I heard, and I just really wasn't trying to spend $700, $800, $900 on, let's say, like an Nvidia or another exhaust, and I wanted to put that money elsewhere into this car. So my goal here today is to finally get this Subaru sounding like a Subaru should. No, I'm not expecting this catback exhaust to get put on here and the car become super loud, but we will be doing something down the road to definitely get this Subaru a bit louder, so definitely stay tuned for that. So we're gonna get to this install today. This should be a pretty simple install, but I do say that sometimes when we run into stuff. Working on used cars here, that definitely can happen. So I'm hoping we can remove the existing exhaust here with no problems at all. So after the install, I will show you all some before and some after clips, even though the before clips here, you really can't hear much out of this Subaru to begin with. So anyways, let's get to the install. Holy shit! So I could not get those downpipe bolts off for the life of me. So I had a friend come over, got some PB Blaster, we have a torch, and we had a freaking Sawzall to cut the hell out of this. And we tried all three things and finally were able to get them off. He actually was able to fit his body underneath the front of my car better than I was. So he got those downpipe bolts off for me. So huge thanks to Will. Thank you so much for friggin' making this happen right now. I was going nuts trying to get this friggin' exhaust off. But anyways, so we got the downpipe bolts off. I didn't even touch the freaking mufflers, axle back, whatever you want to call it, right back there because they were just seizing up on me even with the friggin' impact gun. So I'm just gonna rip this whole exhaust out through the back and then we're gonna bolt up the new exhaust. So we now have the 4 pieces on this catback exhaust put together, and the bolt's not super tight, so we can still make a couple of adjustments here and there. I apologize for the lack of footage here. I'm all by myself right now, just trying to get a couple things in place. So like I said, I'm gonna tighten everything up, get it in as best position as I can right now, and then we're gonna start the car up. So watch, we're gonna start it up and it's not even gonna be that much different than what it was before. So even if we get a little bit of that subie rumble here, this hassle will be totally worth it. So let's start it up and see how it sounds. So this catback exhaust didn't even make the car really loud at all. My car is out there in the driveway right now, and if you can come over here, it's literally vibrating my window right now from the very low, not loud at all rumble. How freaking funny is that? So let's go check it out. So after taking the Subaru out for a drive here, I am definitely satisfied with how things turned out. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I wasn't expecting to throw on this catback exhaust here and magically have the car become loud. However, we are starting to get that very nice low Subaru rumble here, and it's only gonna get better in time. So I definitely wanna make this Subaru a bit loud here. This is my daily driver, so I'm not trying to make it like ridiculously, obnoxiously loud, but we'll be doing 1 or 2 things here in the very near future to get it exactly how I'd like it, so please stay tuned for that. So I did end up purchasing this GMS 3-inch catback exhaust from Import Image Racing, so please go check them out for all your Subaru needs. And you can also use the code STAG5 for an additional 5% off and free shipping on orders over $199. So thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we have a lot more to come here for this Legacy GT. So if you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.